I'm Fabiola. If you don't know me, I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos every Wednesday and Sunday. So make sure to click that subscribe button, click that notification bell below, and follow me on social media at FABIOLAGOFFICIAL. So today I am so excited. I am going to try to film a girly vlog. I know I haven't done one of these in so long, I think since last year. So I do have some shopping to do. We're going to be going to probably like Target, and then a few other stores. I also want to hit my Burlington to see if there's any Juicy Couture items. So we'll be doing that. And I also wanted to go shopping for some new shoes. Since we are in the springtime, I have to change up my shoes a little bit. So I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog video. Let's go ahead and get started. So before we go shopping, I want to stop at Starbucks because they have a new guava pink drink and I'm obsessed with it. I like it so much better than the pink drink. I think that's like my new favorite one. Girls know that it wouldn't be a girly video without a pink drink. I am back from shopping and I ended up getting some adorable sandals at the outlet. I can't wait to show you girls. I also picked up a few items from Target. If you haven't been to Target, oh my goodness, they have the most cutest outfits ever. I ended up picking a few skirts and a dress, so I can't wait to show you girls how adorable they are. Perfect for spring and summer. And then I also went to Ulta and Coach. I did go to the Burlington Coat Factory because I wanted to see what they had, but they didn't have anything new. They did have like tons of bras and undies. I didn't end up getting anything there, but I did film as I, went to the store. So let me go ahead and show you girls what I got. So I went to the Steve Madden outlets in Rentham and I ended up getting these beautiful sandals. The moment I saw them, I fell in love with them. I actually saw these at their website, but they are cuter in person. How beautiful are these? They have like little rhinestone gems all around. So beautiful. These are called the Skylar in Clear. They are true to size. These are 7.5. Absolutely stunning, and they are so comfy. So I'll link them down below. They do have them on their normal website. They also have the ones that go like all the way up to the ankle. Let me see if I can get those so I can show you girls. Here they are. These are from last year and they still have them this year. I think these are like ongoing. They are beautiful. That's the main reason why I decided to get these. And these are a little bit different. These do have like a square toe on the top, which is trending right now. And these have like a rounded toe. They're beautiful. I've had these for a year. These are from last year, but they still have them and they come in multiple colors. They also come in clear, like the ones I showed you. I'll link them all below as well as in my blog, but these are the most comfiest sandals you will ever find. Totally worth every penny. I'll link them below. I might actually do a summer collection of like sandals and shoes, so I might do that. But I love those sandals. I fell in love with them. So I also ended up going to the Coach outlet and I picked up this new perfume. It's the Coach Dreams. It smells so delicious. It's very floral, but it has a lot of sweet scents to it, and that's the main reason why I got it. I'm not so much into like too floral, but it is a very nice, light, refreshing scent, and the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so glad I got this. Every time I see it, I just want to spray it on, but it's beautiful and it smells incredible. You definitely need to try this out. This is definitely a great Mother's Day gift idea. So I also went to Ulta and I picked up a couple items, and I got these because my bestie Joey recommended them to me, and I'm so glad I got them. I really wanted the serum, but they didn't have it in stock. So I got these two from the brand Cake, and they smell like cake, like literally. I'm loving these so much. They remind me a lot of my Bath & Body Works candle. But this one here is called the Main Manager. It's a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. It's supposed to leave your hair like really, really soft, and it revives your strands. I also got this one. This is a dry shampoo and it smells like cake. I am loving this. It smells so incredible, and it doesn't leave any residue, any like white areas in your hair. So I got this because this is great for in between washes. So yesterday I ended up going with my sister to IKEA because we wanted to do some shopping, and I ended up getting this beautiful shelf in the back right here. I'll be doing a room tour very soon in the next coming weeks, but I am so glad I got that. It looks so beautiful in my room. But on my way there, she ended up giving me these two products from Jeffree Star. She knows I love Jeffree Star. She ordered a few boxes and these were like doubles, so she gifted them to me. And I got the Magic Star Concealer, which is this one here. It's absolutely beautiful. Like the packaging is so luxurious, so pretty. And I got it in the shade C16.5. It's the most perfect concealer ever. It doesn't crease. It lasts all day. So I ended up getting this one. And then she also gave me this lip balm from Shane Dawson. It's Diet Shane. This is such a beautiful packaging. Like, look how beautiful. It's shaped like a bullet, and it is so soft and buttery. I love this. So I ended up getting those. So after that, I did end up going to the park with my kids. We did some walking, and then we went to Target, and I found some beautiful outfits there. So I got this beautiful skirt. It's like a denim skirt, and it's so beautiful. It's actually very stretchy, so it's like a stretchy kind of denim. So I'm so glad that I got this beautiful skirt, and it's like beautiful color too. And then I also picked up some shorts. These are the shorts that I got. These are very nice too. You can definitely dress these up or down depending on the top you're wearing, but they're just very like flowy kind of shorts, perfect for the summer or those like really hot days. And it has this kind of a elastic band, and it's very thick. And they did have these in two different shades. I did end up getting like the darker, kind of like, it's like almost like a dusty rose color, but it's beautiful. And then this set right here, I am loving so much. I got the skirt. Look how beautiful. I am loving this skirt so much. It has like little ruffles everywhere, very comfy. It also has a elastic waist. It's very thick, very comfortable, and it goes up to your waist. And then I got the top to go with it, which I'm loving so much. How cute is this? So the last thing I picked up is this adorable pink cardigan. Look how cute this is. I'm so glad I found this. I don't know you girls, but I'm always freezing even if it's summertime. So this is going to be like perfect, and it's going to match all my outfits. So I ended up getting this as well. So that is everything I got from Target. So those are the things I got from Target. Also, I wanted to share with you something that I just got in the mail, and I'm so excited. because they reached out to me a couple weeks ago and they told me that they want to send me a few items. So when I saw their website, I was like, oh my gosh, this is like amazing. These are actually period proof underwears, and I'm very excited to share them with you girls. They're from the brand Lilova. I'll link their company down below, but I was able to choose 2 items and I ended up getting 2 of their period proof underwears in 2 different styles. They do come in multiple styles and different colors, but I think these are absolutely amazing. These hold up to 2 tampons worth, and I got one in Mia Hipster and then Mia Bikini. They do come individually wrapped in these bags. Like, how cute is this? Super cute, and I think this is like such a great thing. I've never tried anything like this, and that's why I was very excited when they reached out to me. It says here, thank you for choosing our period proof underwear. By making your cycle eco-friendly, you participate in a greener planet. And that's what really caught my eye the most, is that it's good for the environment and it's also good to try. So let me go ahead and open this one. I haven't opened them yet. This one's the Mia Hipster. And I think these are like absolutely amazing. They're really, really good quality. Like, oh my goodness, these are like really good. They're very, very thick material. This one's the Mia Hipster, and it does have like lace detail on the top as well as on the bottom. And then there's another one here. This one's the Mia Bikini, and it looks like this. I also got it in black. But I think these are absolutely amazing. This is made out of like a different material. I think this is more like a cotton, and this is more like a stretchy material, but they're both really nice. Very, very thick material. It's very cool. So I am very excited to share these with you girls. I'll link them down below, and I'll leave the exact names to the ones they sent me. But that was it for today's super girly haul and vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. But I hope you all have an amazing and a beautiful rest of your week. I love you all so much. I'll see you all next time. Bye.